First, thoroughly pour vinegar all over the sink. Vinegar has disinfecting properties. Next, sprinkle baking soda over the entire surface of the sink. It will help remove dirt and stubborn buildup. After that, use a sponge to thoroughly scrub the surface of the sink. Finally, rinse away any remaining residue with water. The result is a sparkling, clean, and refreshed sink, free from limescale and bacteria. Pour this down the drain, and it will unclog your sink and eliminate bad odors in seconds. It's a proven method that works better than many chemical products sold in stores. A clogged drain is a problem that can happen in any home. That's why it's worth preparing this simple mixture. Take a glass and fill it halfway with dish soap of any scent or color. Dish soap helps dissolve grease and other buildup that gradually accumulates inside pipes. Next, add 3 tablespoons of table salt. Salt helps remove accumulated deposits and supports cleaning the inside of the drain. Now pour in vinegar and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Vinegar helps break down grease, neutralize unpleasant odors, and reach areas where dirt tends to collect. In a separate bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and dissolve it in warm water. Baking soda helps neutralize bad odors and supports the removal of buildup inside the drain. Now it's time for the most important step. Pour the contents of the glass directly into the drain, then add the prepared baking soda solution. Finish by pouring warm water over everything. The mixture will begin to foam intensely, reaching hard-to-access areas inside the pipes. This is when the ingredients start working on grease, food residue, and other buildup responsible for clogs. Then flush the drain thoroughly with cold water to remove any remaining dissolved deposits. Finally, wipe the sink and surrounding area with a cloth. Your drain will be clean, fresh, and ready to use again. No plumber needed. A bad smell coming from the kitchen sink is a common issue. To get rid of food residue stuck in the pipes, start by removing the strainer and clearing out any visible waste. Then drop a dishwasher tablet into the drain. Boil water in a kettle and slowly pour it over the tablet to help it dissolve and flow into the pipes. You'll notice a clean scent almost immediately. Once the tablet is fully dissolved, wipe the drain with a sponge. It'll be clean, shiny, and your kitchen will smell fresh throughout. Since I started cleaning my sink this way, I haven't spent any money on chemical cleaners. I forgot what stains and lime buildup even are. Grab a medium-sized bowl and add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. It works as a gentle abrasive and breaks down lime deposits. Then pour in about 2 ounces of any dish soap. This helps break down grease and cuts through grime. Mix everything well. If the mixture is too runny, add more baking soda and mix again until you get a paste. Use a brush to apply the paste all over the sink, reaching every spot where lime and buildup hide. Then scrub everything with a sponge. Don't forget the drain and faucets. They collect a lot of dirt. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then dry with a microfiber cloth. Your sink will shine like new. It looks just like it was professionally cleaned. You absolutely have to try this. Put a plastic bag in the sink. It might solve one of the most annoying household problems. A plumber once shared this simple trick with me. First, remove the sink strainer. That's where a lot of gunk builds up. Pour in a generous amount of dish soap to break down the grease. Then cover everything with a good amount of baking soda. Don't hold back. Baking soda has powerful cleaning and deodorizing properties. Next, slowly pour vinegar over the whole thing. And that's when the magic begins. Thick foam starts to fill the drain. Now press the plastic bag into the drain and place something heavy on top, like a bottle of water. Soon you'll see foam pushing through a small hole in the bag. That's a good sign. Give the baking soda and vinegar time to dissolve the grime thoroughly. After a while, rinse the sink well with warm water. You'll notice the difference within seconds. The drain will not only be unclogged, but also smell fresh. No more spending money on harsh pipe cleaners. All you need is a plastic bag from your drawer and a few items from your kitchen shelf. Stick a zip tie into the sink and you won't believe the results. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. You'll never have this problem again. A regular zip tie turns out to be incredibly useful, and you probably have one at home. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Make a few angled cuts along the sides of the zip tie. Don't cut through it. Just notch it diagonally like I'm showing here. Do this on both sides. Many people deal with slow drains in the sink or shower, usually caused by hair buildup. But with this trick, you won't need to call a plumber to unclog the drain. Just insert the modified zip tie into the drain, move it around a bit, and all the hair inside will get caught on the notches. Then just pull it out, toss it along with the zip tie, and you're done. The drain is clear. No plumber needed. And whenever it clogs again, you can quickly make a new zip tie tool in seconds. Don't let a plumber make money on something you can easily do yourself. Learn a simple way to unclog your drain at home and save money. Take lemons, even slightly old ones you wouldn't want to eat anymore. Cut them in half and squeeze out the juice thoroughly, because that's exactly what you need here. Then use a syringe and slowly draw up about 3½ fluid ounces of juice. Go to the drain and pour about 2 tablespoons of baking soda into it. Then use the syringe to apply the lemon juice directly into the drain. Pour it all in and watch the reaction. The mixture will start foaming intensely and working inside the drain. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes so it can effectively dissolve buildup. After that, rinse the drain with hot water to remove any residue. This natural way of cleaning pipes without chemicals helps restore proper flow and leaves a fresh scent. Make tea in the sink, and you'll definitely surprise your mother-in-law and your other guests. Plug the drain and drop in about 20 regular tea bags. Then pour hot water over them and wait a few minutes until the brew becomes strong and fully infused. During this time, the tea releases all its aroma and color, creating a rich base. Once it's ready, add some cold tap water to bring it to a perfect drinking temperature. If you prefer a milder taste, add milk and stir well, so everything blends together. Finally, add about 3 tablespoons of sugar or more, and mix again until the drink is evenly sweet. Now just scoop the tea with a mug and serve it to your guests. It's a simple way to prepare a large amount of tea at once without constantly brewing new batches. It works great for family gatherings, parties, or when you have a lot of friends over. This way, everyone gets a hot drink at the same time, and you save a lot of time and effort. This way, I saved a lot. Use a marker to mark the spot that sticks out above the edge. Heat a fork, and use it to make small holes in the bottle. Then cut the bottle at the marked place. Now prepare a screw, heat it as well, and make a hole in the center of the plastic part. Twist the screw on with a nut. Place it in the sink and you're done. Don't spend more money on expensive strainers. Pour this down the drain, and it will unclog your sink and eliminate bad odors in seconds. This proven method works better than many chemical cleaners available in stores. Grab a glass and fill it halfway with dish soap of any scent or color. Add 3 tablespoons of table salt. Then pour in vinegar and mix thoroughly. This combination effectively dissolves grease and buildup. In a separate bowl, dissolve 2 tablespoons of baking soda in warm water. Now comes the most important step. Pour the contents of the glass down the drain. The salt will scrub the pipes. Then pour in the baking soda solution. The mixture will start foaming intensely. Once the foam settles, rinse the sink with hot water to flush the drain completely. Finally, clean the sink to remove any residue. This simple, inexpensive, and eco-friendly method effectively clears pipes and restores freshness. Using it regularly will help prevent major clogs and keep your drain working perfectly.